Good thing they both just washed their feet. My house has become a NASCAR doggy track. Angelo, stop. Nope. Be much longer, she won't be able to crawl under the chairs. No, stay down. I think it's safe to say her leg's healed because she just was running all the way across the yard full speed like it was nothing. What's she doing, Angelo? You think she wants eggs? Oh, you both want eggs. Oh, I see. Oh, baby girl's gonna growl. I guess I better make this a short video and feed them their breakfast. Breakfast of choice. Their favorite breakfast. Ham, sweet potatoes, eggs, and red bell peppers. They get a better omelet than I do for breakfast. What you want? You want eggs? You want eggs? You want eggs? Speak. 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 Come on, speak. You want your eggs? Speak. Speak. Bless you. You want eggs? You gonna speak? Speak. Come on, baby girl, speak. Good boy. Come on, baby girl, speak. Speak. Want eggs? Come on, baby girl, speak. Oh, okay, time for breakfast. Oh yeah, look at that tongue.